What if there was one who connects the worlds of food, beverage, and laundry? Who gives you more time to focus on what is truly important? Who understands all your operations and improves your workflows? Who helps you grow your business faster and makes your daily journey a winning one? There is one. One who supports you with planning and installation, with optimizing your workflows, with tailored training and dedicated service, and creating groundbreaking innovation and services. No matter whether you run a hotel, a restaurant, or a laundrette, one who gives you complete control and makes your potential visible. Thanks to real-time access to your operating data. One who is always there for you, with local presence and global expertise, making your work life easier, more profitable, and truly sustainable every day. Electrolux Professional, the one.